Hey everyone, how are you today? I hope you're doing great. For those who don't know me yet, I'm Olivia, and in today's video, we're going to talk about something that's been getting a lot of buzz lately, the supplement Mitolyn. You all know that I'm always on the lookout for innovative health solutions, and after a month of testing Mitolyn, I can finally share all the details with you. No fluff, no secrets. But before anything else, I need to give you an important warning. Mitolyn is only sold on the official website. Buying from other sources can be a huge risk, as there are many counterfeits out there. To make things easier, I've left the same official link I used in the description and pinned in the first comment. Don't fall for scams. By purchasing from the official website, you ensure you're getting the original safe product. Now let's get straight to the point. What is Mitolyn? It's promoted as a powerful formula designed to speed up metabolism and eliminate stubborn fat. But here's the most interesting part. Harvard scientists recently discovered that the real cause of a slow metabolism is low mitochondria levels, which are responsible for burning fat in our bodies. In other words, the more active mitochondria you have, the more fat your body naturally burns. And Mitolyn promises to solve this problem by boosting those levels. It is manufactured in the United States in an FDA-registered and GMP-certified facility. This means it follows high-quality standards in its production. But does it really work? Well, let me tell you my story. After my pregnancy, I struggled a lot with my weight. As you all know, I tried everything: strict diets, intense workouts, expensive treatments, and nothing really worked. When I discovered Mitolyn, I have to admit, I was skeptical. But after seeing so many people sharing their incredible transformations, I decided to give it a chance. Plus, the supplement is 100% natural, GMP certified, and has passed rigorous testing, so I knew I wasn't putting my health at risk. Now, was it worth it? What do you guys think? Here's what I did. I simply took one capsule of Mitolyn every morning with a glass of cold water. No complicated formulas or impossible restrictions. And honestly, at first I didn't set my expectations too high. But in the first week, I already felt my clothes fitting looser around my waist. By the second week, even my friends started noticing. And the most surprising part? My energy levels skyrocketed like never before. On top of that, other benefits came naturally, but these two were the most impactful for me. The feeling of loving my reflection again, fitting into my favorite clothes, and even having the confidence to wear a bikini without fear. It's indescribable. Now, one detail that completely won me over. Mitolyn comes with a 90-day money-back guarantee. That means you can try it with no fear. If it doesn't work or if you simply don't like it, you can request a full refund, no questions asked, zero risk. And my final verdict? I'm impressed. Mitolyn delivered everything it promised with no tricks or gimmicks. I lost 11 kilos and reached my ideal weight in just 1 month. But since the recommendation is to continue using it for 3 months, I'll keep taking it to make sure the weight never comes back. If you have more weight to lose, I highly recommend checking out the 6-bottle kit, which offers the best value for your money. But take a look at the official website and see which option works best for you. And that's it, guys. If you found this review helpful, leave a like, and if you have any questions or want to share your experience, drop a comment. I love reading and replying to you all. Oh, and don't miss the special promotion happening on the website. The link is in the description and pinned in the first comment. There, you'll also find more details about Mitolyn and real testimonials from people who have used and loved it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the website. See you soon.